this hood was a gift for me from one of my customers, and there's a lot of orange peel, there's a lot of nibs. We're gonna wet sand this to get some clarity in here, but really the main focus with this hood is going to be testing some wash chemicals to see how ceramic coatings hold up over a summer cycle with some different washing characteristics and some different washing chemicals. So sit back, I'm gonna sand. Maybe even Jason Killmer might help me sand this hood. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, time to get to work. Let's do this. In 2021, we're going to be testing some different washing chemicals. That'll be a two-step process. Almost like a touchless way to wash a ceramic coated vehicle. So what we're going to be testing is to see how a two-step touchless system is going to positively or negatively disturb the ceramic coating, if we will. That's what we're going to be testing. So before we get there, we've got to do a little sanding.
It's made your crown right through here. It dives. Now this hood dives down naturally.
That side has been sanded, this side has just been paint corrected. This was not trying to chase down scratches and defects. Again, I just want to study how a protectant is going to hold up on a sanded side versus a non-sanded side. And we're going to be using Seaquartz UK. I'm going to apply 2 coats here, 2 coats to that side. I'm going to apply 1 coat to the sanded side of Seaquartz UK, and then I'm also going to apply it to the non-sanded side. I'm going to test the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro line, the Graphene Max Wax, followed by the Graphene Spray. So it'll go on the sanded side and on the non-sanded side. And then I'm going to be testing this generic paint sealant to see how all these protectants hold up. Again, paint sealant is going to go on the sanded side and the non-sanded side. And then we're going to put this through essentially a torture test, but a different kind of torture test. Not a torture test where we're spraying degreasers and we're spraying all kinds of crazy solvents and lighting the hood on fire. We're actually going to put this through a real world test, and we're going to be using some touchless style products to evaluate how these protectants hold up. So a lot of research, a lot of studying, and a lot of technology just to get to this point. So I'm excited. All right, guys, if you've made it this far, we're all done. All the protectants have been applied, all the tape has been removed, and there's our sanded side, and here is our non-sanded side. This has been in the shop with the heat on, and we've been baking this thing at about 72 degrees for the last 48 hours maybe, and it's ready to go outside. So it's the middle of January as I'm shooting this film, and I think we'll be getting to doing our first washing tests hopefully in early February. So appreciate all the support. A lot more videos with this one, and if you guys got any questions, please send them in the comments below, and we will see you on the next video.